Making your first $1 million is a huge milestone on your journey to financial freedom. It's a sign that you have set good financial goals and that you're also taking the right steps to fulfill them. Although reaching this milestone can be very difficult, you just have to encourage yourself and get inspired by other people's stories. Today, we'll be using Warren Buffett's journey to his first $1 million as our inspiration to get there ourselves. But before we go on, hit the like and subscribe button so we can be inspired as well. If you've done that, let's get into it. Who is Warren Buffett? Born on August 30th, 1930, Warren Buffett is an American business magnate, investor, and philanthropist. He is currently the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, which is one of America's foremost holding companies, and also one of the world's leading corporate conglomerates. As a result of his great investment success, Warren Buffett is regarded as one of the most successful and respected investors of all time. As of September 2023, his net worth is $121 billion, which makes him the 7th richest person in the world. Besides being a billionaire, Warren Buffett has always been like a financial advisor to anyone who cares to listen. He always gives advice and guidelines that are valuable to those who are determined to reach financial freedom. Enough of all that. You're here to know how Warren Buffett made his first $1 million. So let's get into it. Hearing all these things about Warren Buffett, you might think he had money and opportunity handed to him. But just like any of us, he had to work for his money. Although he had two great entrepreneurial role models in his life, his father Howard and his grandfather Ernest, Buffett actually earned his first few dollars by selling bubble gum door to door. He bought the gum packs from his grandfather's grocery store and earned 2 cents in profit for each pack he sold. He even sold Coca-Cola door to door in an effort to make money. As a young boy, Buffett already knew what he wanted his financial life to be like. He actually said that if he couldn't make his first $1 million by the age of 35, he would jump off the tallest building in Omaha. This might be a little extreme, but we should make sure to set specific goals for ourselves and also consequences if we don't meet them. This would make us work harder and be more determined. Back to the $1 million question. Literally, how did Warren Buffett make his first $1 million? There's one simple answer: investment. Like we said earlier, Buffett was a young boy who knew what he wanted. He wanted some money from selling bubblegum, Coca-Cola, and weekly magazines. He later invested the money he earned from this petty business, and that is how he started making the big bucks. Warren Buffett learned about Benjamin Graham, who was a successful investor at the time, from a book, and he saw him as a role model of sorts. After being rejected by Harvard Business School, Buffett enrolled at Columbia Business School of Columbia University because he heard that Benjamin Graham was teaching there. After being mentored by Benjamin Graham, his first investment firm as a professional was Buffett Partnership Limited, which he created in 1956. By January 1962, the Buffett Partnership had a value of over $7 million, with Buffett's personal share being worth over $1 million. Warren Buffett was just 30 years old when he made his first $1 million, which means he fulfilled his financial goal. He later closed his partnership in 1969, saying that he was out of good investment ideas. Later in 1962, Warren Buffett started buying Berkshire Hathaway stock after noticing a price action pattern of the stock going up after the company closed a mill. Berkshire Hathaway was a textile company that Buffett changed and grew over the years to become the corporate conglomerate it is now. Like Warren Buffett, you can start by making 2 cents as profit and later grow to become something nobody but you expected. To be successful in anything, you need to set goals for yourself and be determined to achieve them. If you've been inspired by Warren Buffett's story, please like this video and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Oh, I haven't heard a ding yet, so hit that notification button right now. Bye-bye.